Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so devices can see each other. This is essential for discovery. Once done, open Settings, go to Special Features and tap Quick Share. You must allow location and storage permissions for transfers to work. Make sure both phones are unlocked and on the same Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi Direct is available. This reduces transfer time and avoids fallback to slower methods. Now you're ready to pick content to share. You pick the photos, videos, or files in Gallery or Files and tap Share, choosing Quick Share. This tells your phone to scan for receivers nearby. Once it lists devices, select the intended recipient. You'll see their device name and avatar. Make sure the other person accepts the incoming request on their phone. If they don't, the transfer won't start. Also check transfer size. Large videos take longer, so keep an eye on progress bars and remaining battery. You monitor transfer progress until it hits 100% and confirm the recipient sees the files in Downloads or Gallery. Don't close the app mid-transfer. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then retry. Often a quick reconnect fixes discovery issues. If that still fails, restart Quick Share or reboot one phone. This clears temporary network locks. Finally, make sure both devices have compatible Quick Share versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.